I just got a package from China, unfortunately. I've sterilized the whole thing. I've dipped it in lava, I've given it an acid bath, and as you can see, I'm not wearing my mask. It was actually ordered before all this COVID crap, and it just now arrived. So I'm excited to share it with you guys. Check this out. So here's what I got. It's kind of less spectacular when it's all just like in a bunch of little bits and pieces. Let me show you a few of these bits. It's one of these eBay special Chinese-made stainless steel Akrapovic clone exhaust systems. I'll throw up two pictures for you guys. One of the actual Akro system and then one of the clone system that I have here with me. And you can see that the two are almost completely identical. It's obvious that somewhere, I'm assuming in China, they ripped off the design from Akrapovic. But anyway, this is a $150 header system versus, I think, a $650 Akro system. So you can see the welds on this look actually really very good. It's all stainless. I think it's 304 stainless. The main question that needs to be answered, is it worth spending $650 for the real thing versus $150 for the Chinese knockoff version? I'm not going to answer that personally because unless I had a dyno here at my house and I was able to run them both back to back, there's really no way for me to answer that question. Oh, the other thing I've got that I forgot to show you, again, this is a clone muffler. This is just one that I had ordered a while ago for no specific reason. It will fit this bike. It will also fit a lot of other applications, but again, it's a clone of the real thing, but it's like a $60 or $70 clone. Actually matches the black pretty well, so probably in the end I will end up putting like an Alpha T or something on the bike or real Akrapovic, but for now we'll use this can because it's what I've got. All right, now that I've gotten the exhaust nice and hot, let's go ahead and start handling it. Now the first thing I want to do is kind of map this thing out. So that's it. Looks pretty good, huh? We just run it straight like that. Now, all in all, that didn't take long at all. Even with the video camera and the recording and all that, less than 30 minutes for the complete install. So even though the tolerances aren't great on this, could they have been manufactured to a tighter spec? Absolutely. Is it going to be a problem? I don't think so. Slap on the muffler. Well, so that's the install, guys. That wasn't bad at all. It took me less than an hour start to finish, and that was moving cameras around and getting angles and positioning. Had I done it just on my own, it would have taken me 30 minutes. So that was pretty cool, even though I had to kind of torque the system a little bit to get cylinders 3 and 4 to fit. This whole system, to the door, shipped less than $200. A name brand system like this, probably what, $1,200? So the big question, Did I just waste $200 or did I just save myself $1,000? I'm not really sure myself, so tell me what you guys think. Leave the comments below. But now's the time to give this thing a listen, so let's see how it sounds. Now that I've heard it, I kind of wish that I had done this sooner because it sounds awesome, in my opinion. I'm sure it sounds very close to what an authentic Akro system sounds like, and I was really expecting it to be a lot louder than it is, and it's not obnoxiously loud by any means, and that's probably because you can see that's a good size muffler. I just didn't want to go with one of those tiny little shotgun mufflers and piss off my neighbors at all hours of the night. So I went with the larger exhaust. I'm not going to do a test ride with it. There's really no reason to because my ECU is not programmed for this exhaust. I've actually got this I need to drop in first. So I'm going to drop the K&N in the bike, and at the same time I'm going to send my ECU back out to Wheel Dyno Works. So those guys are awesome over at Wheel Dyno Works, and I'm super glad that I found them. So for those of you that have done your exhaust, especially on your Z900s, I'm kind of curious to hear some feedback from you. So let me know how you're getting along with the exhaust system that you have, whether it's the real deal, the $1,200 deal, or it's a cheap knockoff system. Let me know if you like it. So far, I'm happy with this. I'll give you guys an updated ride report once I get my ECU back from Wheel Dyno Works. But that's all I got for you today. I'm Rick with Dirt Gear, and I'll see you next time.